Is everyone talking about Palantir stock? Currently down 6.81% in the pre-market session of today, the 31st of March, 2025. When we have a look here, we really can't see any fresh news. Why is everyone talking about Palantir? Predictions to stocks that will be worth more than Palantir 1 year from now. Ultra popular AI stocks to sell before they drop 52%. Could it be one of them? But in any case, I think, amongst other things, the reason why everybody's talking about Palantir is that in the short term, the weakness we have seen with the stock, indeed, there's weakness with all the other tech stocks. The weakness we are seeing in it seems to be decelerating. I'm going to show you an indication to that regard. Let me remove this. In the short term, there is an indication that the weakness in its momentum will start to abate. You can see here the momentum associated with its 10-day moving average is negative, but the first derivative of that momentum line is positive, and the second derivative is negative. So we have two negatives and we have a positive. It's an indication that weakness is still in place, but it's no longer as forceful as it was before. This is equally the case on its for its 21-day moving average, and then for its 40-day moving average and 200-day moving average, the underlying momentum is a bullish one. And it's just validates what we're looking at right now. This is the 200-day moving average, which underscores the underlying trend of the stock. It's bullish, and indeed also the 40-day moving average. So as things stand right now, we have seen it trend all the way down to $79.42 in this pre-market session, and intraday high of 98.17 was printed on March the 25th. That was about roughly 1 week ago. So if you like, you could say 98.17 minus 79.42. Let's do that and find out. 98.17 minus 79.42. You have 18.75. Multiply that by 1.618. You have 30.33. Add that to the current price of AET. You have 110.33 or 110.34. Let's see where that takes us. Okay, 110 point this. Obviously, that you can see has printed such a price before, not very long ago. 110. Let's see, 110. This is as of Wednesday, the 19th of February. So the probability of it printing such a price again is there. It's quite a handful of quite a decent amount of probability, that is. So that's just only projecting its one of its Fibonacci projections, 1.618. You could even project higher and obtain higher prices, but we'll just keep it at that 110, 110.33. And at the same time as well, we have also come up with short-term upper projections. We have 85.75, 89.30, 92.78. 90, let's see, 92.78, where it coincides. Okay, 92.7, that will be coming close to this intraday high of 98.17. Yeah. So that's what's going on with Palantir, currently down 6.72. There's a broad market weakness, but we think it can still holding up, unlike most of the other stocks. It's still holding up. It hasn't weakened as much. So in the meantime, there's still hope, still holding up some momentum. You know. So here, the extrapolation with 10-day moving average is that weakness will continue up till Wednesday, the 16th of March, and after that, higher prices might begin to print. But since we have, especially on its 10-day move, 10-day, especially on the extrapolation of its 10-day moving average, we still have in prices for that 10-day moving average, extrapolated prices for that 10-day moving average that is currently at a premium to the current price. So it's an indication that maybe it could bounce to take advantage of projections that are indicating that it will um, it will pick up strength. It might do that. Yet there's no guarantee. This weakness that we're looking at right now is expected to continue up to all the way towards the end of this new quarter, up to June of this year. You won't believe that. So weakness, but there's a deceleration. This is a deceleration in that weakness for Palantir stock in the short term, but in the medium term and in the long term, there's still underlying strength. There's still underlying strength. Just going by what's going on with this 40 and the 200-day moving averages. So see what you make of Palantir stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.